Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Well, this festive season, of course, you need to gift a lot of your family and friends. So I thought I'll show you a gifting recipe. And this is a white chocolate bar, cookies and cream. Let's begin. Well, as you may all know, I personally work a lot with milk and dark chocolate. So this, in a way, is kind of an unusual recipe because possibly this is one of those only times where I use white chocolate. And because it's cookies and cream, well, it sounds very complicated, but trust me, it uses only and only 2 ingredients. What I have done is I have put a vessel to heat with roughly around 1.5 inch of water. And on top of that, I'm going to keep a glass bowl which has chopped white chocolate. Now, technically, this entire thing is called chocolate melting by double boiling method. So let's get cracking. All you need to do is you need to keep stirring it intermittently and ensure at all given points in time that the water does not touch the base. And that's the only reason why we fill it around 1 to 1.5 inches only. You need to keep stirring this intermittently because you want the heat to kind of uniformly distribute in the chocolate so that the heating and the melting is absolutely uniform. Also, a care needs to be taken is that the bowl from the inside needs to be completely clean. There shouldn't be any grease, there shouldn't be any water, and the same also applies to the stirring ladle or spoon. It's been 3 minutes and the chocolate has beautifully melted on medium to low flame. The next is, of course, the flame, and the chocolate next comes down right here. And we need to wipe the bottom of the bowl because we do not want any water on the working table. All you need to do is stir it so that the chocolate is just kind of at a workable temperature. Once that's done, let's move on to the next step or the next component, and that is the cookie part of the cookies and cream. For this, I'm using Oreo. All you need to do is open the sandwich and remove the cream off, like so. Chop the chocolate cookies into finer bits, like so. The cookies are chopped and ready. Let's transfer this in a mold. Well, I have these chocolate bar molds. If you do not have this, I have another wonderful trick coming your way. For now, all you need to do is add in some bits of these cookies. Just throw them randomly because that's all you need to do at this stage. The next step is to transfer the melted white chocolate into a piping bag. You bring the piping bag together and just snip off an end and move ahead with piping this like so. Once you're done with all of this, you need to lightly give this a tap. Not again, because you want the Oreo or the cookies to kind of show like a crust on top. Let's move on to the quick method. That's in case you do not have a mold. All you need to do is line a butter paper or a baking sheet or a silpat, whatever you have, and you drop all of this onto that sheet. Well, technically, this method is called a Belgian crack. And of course, you can make this with dark milk, white, any chocolate. You spread this as thin as you wish or please. Finally, you top this up with the chopped Oreo like so. The next step is to allow all of this to kind of set for 20 minutes at room temperature. And after that, we'll just keep it in the fridge for some 3 minutes and you have the most amazing cookies and cream white chocolate bar ready. Once the chocolate is set, you'll realize that it kind of releases from the sides. That is when, and that's only when, you kind of flip it over, give it a tap, lightly of course, because we are not here to break the bars. And here you have the most amazing chocolate bar, which is done and ready. And this is what I call cookies and cream. Let's move on to checking the chocolate bark as well. And that's as simple as peeling this paper very gently like so. And you can break this, of course, in any shape and any size as you desire. With this, you have cookies and cream, which is done and ready. At this stage, you can use multiple papers, pack this, do as eco-friendly as you may wish to, and this can go straight to your friends. The only care that you need to take in this place is this needs to be stored in a cool place, not a warm place, because it's chocolate and chances are that it may melt again. With this, your white chocolate bar, cookies and cream is done and ready. Involve your children, involve the entire family and make this for your family and friends. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Rajshri Food. From me and my entire team at Rajshri Food, Merry Christmas!